of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Nara Lokeshji, to address us all with his words. Please welcome our Honourable Minister.
Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji, Honorable Governor Shri S. Abdul Nazir Garu, Honorable Finance Minister Payala Keshav Garu, Chancellor Dr. Shankar Acharya ji, Vice Chancellor Professor S.A. Kuri ji, distinguished guests, esteemed faculty, proud parents and my dear graduating students, Andarki na namaskaram. Today, as I look at this hall filled with young graduates, I do not see students receiving degrees. I see a generation ready to shape Bharat. Every generation is remembered for something. This generation has the opportunity to build our future. This is your time. This is your opportunity. Never allow your background to define your future. Let your dreams, your hard work and your character define who you become. It is a great honor to be present at the first convocation of the Central University of Andhra Pradesh. Every convocation is special, but the first convocation is forever historic. Degrees are awarded every year. History is written only once. Thousands of students will be graduating from this university in the years ahead, but only one batch will forever be remembered as the first batch. That honor, that legacy belongs to you. And my heartiest congratulations to every graduate and every gold medalist. I can now claim I'm a friend of the gold medalists. The Central University of Andhra Pradesh is more than a campus. It is a promise that every young mind, irrespective of background, deserves an opportunity to dream, learn and succeed. Today that promise is standing before us through every graduating student sitting here. My dear students, today we are blessed to have among us Honorable President Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji. Her life is a lesson that no classroom can teach us. She was born in a small village and was the first woman graduate from her village. She faced many personal tragedies, but that would have broken most people. Yet she never lost faith, never stopped serving, never stopped moving forward. From a teacher to a legislator, to a governor, and today the president of world's largest democracy. Her journey tells every young student one simple truth. Your beginning does not decide your destiny. Your courage does. Dear graduates, if the President of India can rise from a small tribal village to Rashtrapati Bhavan, imagine what your education can help you achieve. Madam President, your life continues to inspire millions of young Indians like us. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, India is building a knowledge-driven economy through the NEP policy, Digital India, Startup India, and Vikasit Bharat 2047. Inspired by his vision, our Honorable Chief Minister Shri N. Chandrababu Naidu Garu is building Swarnandhra 2047, creating a future-ready state powered by education, innovation, and employment. The world is changing faster than ever before. New technologies will continue to transform every industry. But the greatest human competitive advantage will never be technology. It will always be your curiosity, creativity, courage, and the willingness to keep learning. The future will belong to those who learn, adapt, and have the courage to lead the change. Because the future will not belong to those who resist technology, but those who learn, adapt, and innovate. That is exactly why Andhra Pradesh is preparing for the future. Under the dynamic leadership of our Chief Minister, Andhra Pradesh is becoming a destination for innovation, manufacturing and technology. This is an exciting time to be a young Indian. New opportunities are emerging across technology, manufacturing, research, healthcare, agriculture, and entrepreneurship. The world does not need more people waiting for opportunities. It needs more people who will create opportunities. Don't aspire to become only job seekers. Aspire to become job creators. Build enterprises, build innovations, build solutions, build hope for others, and build Bharat. Let me leave you with one thought. Success does not come to those who always choose a comfortable path. It comes to those who have the courage to choose the road less traveled. The road less traveled is often the road that leads to extraordinary success. Be curious enough to explore. Be courageous enough to fail. And be determined enough to rise again. Remember, education does not end with a convocation. It is a beginning of a lifetime of learning. Dear graduates, as you leave this campus today, carry your knowledge with confidence, carry your values with humility, carry your dreams with courage, wherever life takes you. Never be afraid to choose the road less traveled, because great achievements never come from following the crowd. They come from having the courage to lead from the front. Build a career that makes your family proud. Build a character that makes your university proud. Build a legacy that makes Bharat proud. Because the first graduating class does not simply receive degrees. It inspires every generation that follows you. Congratulations to every one of you. Go into the world not just to earn a living, but to create opportunities, solve problems, and leave the world better than you found it. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your empowered vision and words of wisdom with all of us, which surely will take us far and make us successful. कोशिश में ही सफलता की सीढ़ी है और and now I invite Honorable Governor of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Abdul Nazir, to share his valuable insights with all of us here. Please welcome our Honorable Governor.
Respected Rashtrapati Ji, Visitor of the Central University of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Payalu Keshav, Honorable Minister of Finance, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nara Lokesh, Minister